Metal coil cutting line is mainly used for metal coil shear from decoiling, feeding, flattening, cutting, conveyor belt and unloading. The function of steel coil cut-to-length line is to shear metal coil longitudinally into short coils or plate. Many kinds of material are available for this cut-to-length line: cold roll to shear, such as cold rolled plate, hot dip galvanized plate, stainless steel plate, aluminum plate, copper plate, etc. So the coil cut-to-length line is best choose in building materials industry.